The Flange Hog 110 is a manually operated hand tool ideal for quickly reconditioning rusty, scarred, and worn flange gasket seats to like-new condition. This flange facing tool is rugged, compact, and easy to use, perfect for refacing RF and FF flanges. It can be used virtually anywhere, and it produces a perfectly precise phonographic finish in minutes. The Flange Hog 110 has a clamping range from 0.9 inches to 10.3 inches and can machine flanges with range up to 14 inches OD. Our proprietary clamping system is easy to configure and designed for fast setup with a 0.005 inch alignment accuracy. Cutting bits are double-sided, long-lasting, and specifically formed to cut through a wide variety of material, including carbon steel, stainless steel, alloyed steel, aluminum, and cast iron. The Esco Flange Hog 110 incorporates a worm gear that smoothly drives a lead screw to produce a continuous and true spiral finish. Two interchangeable cross feeds are available for both a smooth and stock finish in accordance with ASME B16.5 standards. Supplied as a complete kit, the tool includes a sturdy carrying case, straight and 90-degree tool bit holders, and all necessary wrenches. The Esco Flange Hog is available for rent or purchase. Give us a call or fill out the form on our website for more information.